checking out the frequent flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here from DHL, my favorite courier. We got the Blue Alien on deck. We're gonna try to make this quick. We'll let to get this in. We got a package inside a package. So get inside this one. Uh-oh, looks like a brown box. There's 95S in here. I believe this is a Cherson model, the Cherson 95S. From the picture on the packaging, it looks like it's a tiny Whoop. Again, another tiny Whoop. Hopefully this is the already built one. Oh man, I need the Blue Alien again. Slice through here. That should be the last of the Blue Alien that we need. Get this open. So, wow, this thing is nice. It has the same props as the Cherson CX-31. Man, it feels a little softer than the Tiny 7 by King Kong, but it looks very similar. We got a USB charging cable there. We got an extra set of spare props, some red props. Nice. You guys know red is my favorite color. So we got red props in there. We got a battery. A small 400 milliamp hour, 1-cell battery in here. And we got the instructions manual. Let's move this out the way. Get rid of this. And let's have a quick look at the instructions manual. It appears to be in Chinese. Some of it is in English, I guess. Oh, okay, this side. So it's a two-way manual. One side is in English, one side is in Chinese. So pretty nice. I think this is a bind and fly. Then again, I will have to open this thing up to see if it's a receiver in there or not. Let me look on the box to see, does it say anything on the box? Nothing on the box indicating if it's DSMX or FrSky or whatnot. So I guess we're gonna have to find out later about this. We have a button up here. This is probably for changing the frequencies on the FPV feed. And so let me see, do I have anything nearby? Now my King Kong Tiny 7 frame broke, and I'm waiting on a new frame to come, but I have the frame here. Let's see how it compares. It looks like the same dimensions almost. Yes, it's the same dimensions, but they are different though. They are built structurally different. Looks like 7mm motors in this one too. So pretty nice. Let's see if we have something else to compare it to. The Tiny 6 there. We have an original Tiny Whoop here. So it's a little larger. I'm expecting more power from this thing. And I really like these red props. I think I'm going to swap these white props out immediately after the video. And you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up real soon. Maybe a quick review or a full review. It's the Cherson CX-95S Tiny Whoop with 7mm motors. Thanks for watching.